Hey guys, it's Mr. Golias, and today we're taking a look at our script checklist. So we need to have an intro and greeting that has our name and mission statement, our 3 bus driving questions. They should have transitions, and then 7 total research facts, and you're going to want transitions in there as well. And then finally, you're going to have your outro, which is just your wrap-up conclusion, thanking people for watching. So our intro with a mission might look like this. Hey, this is Mr. Golias, and my mission is to help teens and their families find healthy solutions to deal with teen anger. And then my first slide, you'll notice in here, I just highlighted where I put in some transitions, like I put in fact, I put however, another phrase I added, according to the Brain and Mind Center. So we're trying to make these read and flow together, so it's not a bunch of just random facts that you're just throwing at somebody. The same with the driving questions. You'll notice I put another ... So another interesting question, or another driving question, or another thing that I was curious about was, what are some of the effects? So we're trying to transition between our driving questions as well. So you'll want some type of transition on yours as well. So it could even be, finally, my last question, as you're building up through those. Lastly, an outro looks like, these are all of my citations for my research. I hope you are now empowered to deal with anger in a healthy manner. Have a great day. So I have some type of, tie to my topic, and then I'm wishing them a good day or thanking them. Some rotations may not have, my shorter rotations won't have citations, so we may just put an image there at the end. But if we do have the citations, this is what a citation looks like. All right, you can go ahead and get started getting your scripts and research slides ready for your presentation. Good luck.